You try to steal Chippies?
Yes.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shantae, and today's video is a Amazon Fresh haul. I just wanted you guys to know and see what I literally purchase almost on a weekly basis. This is $150 haul, and I sometimes get these things and I sometimes don't, depending on if we had already eaten them or not, or if we need them or not. But today's video is a $150 haul. Sometimes I do bigger ones, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got today on a Saturday from Amazon Fresh. So let's jump right into these bags. I personally like how they bag them sometimes, because they bag them really according to like where they go in your kitchen. So I like that, and so that the eggs are not broken or none of that stuff. I've never had experienced any of that. I got some oil, some extra virgin olive oil. I got 3 canisters of, oh, actually, wait, I got 2 of the extra virgin olive oils. I've got 3 canisters of the Lipton iced tea raspberry flavor. We actually love the powdered Lipton iced teas because you can make them however you want, and they do not have like high fructose corn syrup in them, you know, stuff like that. So I kind of like to make the teas. I got some snack pack Pringles for the children. My son is crazy about this. It actually helps to keep him on portion control so that he's not overeating the chips like he tries to. I actually got 2 packs of those. I thought I got a different flavor, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. I'll check that out later. I actually got some Red Lobster biscuit mix. If you guys have ever been to Red Lobster and tried these biscuits, y'all already know they bomb, they fast. So y'all got to get the, you know what I'm saying, the mix and try it at home. It tastes exactly the same. There is no difference. I mean, it's a pandemic out there. We really can't go into the restaurant like we want to. So make them at home. Cheddar and sour cream instant potatoes. Now this is a new flavor that they have out, and I haven't seen this flavor in stores. So try to get it on Amazon Fresh if you can, if you want to try these out. But it's the Idahoan, and I really like them. It tastes really good. Love Us or it's free ketchup. I got this ketchup. I only buy my ketchup from Amazon Fresh. I only buy it from Amazon Fresh because they're the only ones that has my ketchup. I don't know why, but I like this ketchup because it has no high fructose corn syrup in it. I love it, and it tastes better than the natural ketchup to me. But I still do buy the natural ketchup if need be. But I got 4 of these. I got the cheese flavor Pringles in the little snack packs as well. So I got 3 packs. How did I get it? I don't know. But I got 2 cans of the extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. And I first tried this out last week. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I was like, let me try it because I was out of spray and I needed some. So I tried it, and it is bomb, guys. It is really good. I think I would prefer this, and this is organic. So this is like the Amazon, oh no, it's the Whole Foods Market brand. And I kind of like this better than the Pam. So if you guys want to try it out, go ahead and try that out. Cocktail sauce, because we do make popcorn shrimp sometimes. So I haven't been able to get to the store to get the Butterball ground turkey. I really love that ground turkey. And since I haven't been able to get to the store and get that one, I get the next best thing, which is the Amazon brand. It's the Foster Farms. And their brand is actually pretty good tasting. Like some ground turkey that you get, it tastes like dirt. Like I can't even imagine getting that stuff. I don't want to put brands on blast, but it tastes like dirt, bro. This one tastes really, really good. It's not comparable to the Butterball brand. I really love the Butterball brand, but it still tastes good. Land O'Lakes butter. I like the half sticks because it's easier to, you know, portion out instead of using a whole stick of freaking butter. 2 cans of crescent rolls. I got the butter kind and the original kind. And I usually like going to the deli counter to get my you know, deli, my lunch meat, but I haven't been able to get to the store, like I said. So I bought this Genoa salami pack, and I got 2 of them. And I just really, really love Genoa salami. It tastes so good, and my son loves it too. I think my girls like this kind. I'm not sure. I know they like the store kind, but, well, they're sitting over there. Let's ask them. Do y'all like this kind, or do you like the store kind better? When I go to Fair Play.
I like it.
Okay, well, they're on the fence. Destiny likes it. Kayla, she hasn't even tried it yet. She doesn't know. She's got to try it. We'll see what happens. We'll leave that comment down below and let you know if she tried it and liked it or not. But it's really good though. I've got 4 of these yogurts. The Yoplait yogurts, and yes, it's your yogurts, my son. And yeah, make some lunch for my kids. I actually make the girls eat the yogurt. Thank you. They used to eat them like all the time religiously, and then they just ended up stopping for some reason. They get like that. They're like their father. So when you buy frozen stuff from Amazon Fresh, they do pack your frozen goods in like this little foil type, you know, freezer thing, I don't know, bag, I don't know what you want to call it, but basically it keeps the frozen goods frozen for a small period of time. Like it doesn't make it defrost really quickly. So I got some Red Robin French fries, and then I got some Ore-Ida French fries. So I got some party wings, and I got 2 packs of the party wings. These are actually really good. They're really meaty. So I got 2 packs of those. 3 packs of the C-Pack shrimp scampi, because I love to make shrimp pasta with these. And I actually have a pack already in my freezer, so I'm going to actually end up making shrimp pasta. I don't know if I'm going to make the shrimp pasta today or tomorrow. I might make burgers and fries tonight. I'm not even sure, but if I don't, then I'll just end up making the shrimp pasta. I'm not sure. Dakayla and Kyler do not eat shrimp, so I have to make them spaghetti and meatballs, and that's a whole big thing. So I don't know if I want to cook tonight or not. But this is my haul, guys. $150 got me all of this. It really doesn't seem like much, but in today's economy, this is what you get for $150 on Amazon Fresh. If you guys found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I've got so many other videos coming, and you guys don't want to miss out on what I've got coming up. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Untitled, are you trying to steal chippies?
Yes, everybody eat chippies.
You try to steal chippies?
Yes.